This Bitcoin pattern that currently is being created will be indicating the next big Bitcoin move, because potentially it is about to come today, because today will be the final deadline for the SEC to appeal the court's decision. And this will be massive, because if they do not appeal this court's decision, we are essentially guaranteed to see all spot Bitcoin ETFs approved. So this will be very important, and you should actually not be getting fooled, because tomorrow we are about to enter another weekend, and usually around during the weekend we fool a lot of Bitcoin traders. At the same time, we are creating this hidden bullish divergence on top of support, and on top of that, we of course already knew that a big move was going to be imminent for Bitcoin. But right now we even got another signal, which is also going to be indicating that this big, massive Bitcoin move is going to be imminent. So we need to be talking about this exactly. But first of all, let's have a look in towards the imminent short term, and what we can be seeing right now in the imminent short term is actually not a whole lot is happening. Of course, yesterday we beautifully got this another push towards the downside, which we did expect, but we did not create any kind of a bullish divergence on the MACD indicator, so that was kind of unfortunate, so we did not initiate our long position. But in the end of the day, it is right now looking pretty good. We are about to form this sort of symmetrical triangle, maybe a double bottom pattern, but I would rather have a look in towards this symmetrical triangle. And from yesterday, nothing much has changed as well, because on the daily time frame, well, we are still on this daily uptrend and nothing really has changed as of yet. The Bitcoin chart is really looking quite bullish in my opinion. We are still holding our support level, creating this hidden bullish divergence, so I would definitely in the end of the day expect a bounce from of this level. But one thing is for sure, well, tomorrow we are going to be entering a weekend, so I'm not going to be interested in trading any kind of a pattern right here. Maybe if we are going to be creating a bullish divergence, that would be a level where I would be interested in opening up a trade, but right now I'm definitely not interested in opening up any kind of a trading opportunity, because simply tomorrow we are headed in towards a weekend. Now, two things that are actually very important in my opinion, except from the Bitcoin charts, because the Bitcoin charts is really still a little bit the same. Well, in the higher term time frames, we of course still do know that a big move is going to be imminent, and we have been consolidating right now for about 200 days. We have been doing nothing for about 200 days, but we right now know that a big move is going to be imminent. And right here we can have a look into what's this fractal that has been playing out, and every cycle right here has indicated a big Bitcoin move, and right now we are about to be headed once again inside of this cycle, so we are going to be expecting a massive move anytime soon being created because of this fractal. So this final deadline of the SEC to appeal the court's decision, which basically found no valid arguments to reject a spot Bitcoin ETF, the deadline for this is today. So if they do not appeal this decision by the court, well, basically it means that the SEC is out of options to still reject any kind of a spot Bitcoin ETF. And well, if they are out of options, it of course means that essentially they will be forced to accept a spot Bitcoin ETF. So we are just getting one step closer towards the acceptance of our first spot Bitcoin ETF, and today will be a very important day. But other than that, well, yeah, just like I talked about already in this video, we are going to be watching this support level. If we are going to be falling down below, I'm going to be expecting this next support level to be getting hit. Now we are creating this symmetrical triangle inside of the imminent short term, so this will be giving us the direction. If we are going to be breaking this one towards the downside, it will be likely that we are going to be hitting our next support level. But if we are going to be breaking this one out towards the upside, we might have formed some kind of a double bottom structure, and then we could definitely expect higher targets getting reached. Pretty simple and pretty straightforward in my opinion. And if you do like this kind of content, make sure to join my free Telegram channel with the links down in the description on my YouTube page, but also my Twitter page. And with that being said, make sure to be following me on Twitter to stay up to date, and I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.